Hello dear viewers, there is many way for finding anyone email address, so I cannot share all the way in one video. So today I will share my number one way for finding almost anyone email address. You can find almost 19% people email address using this way. If you have their LinkedIn profile link, you can find their email address easily. This way works with LinkedIn account link only. But don't worry, in my next video I'll show you how to find the targeted person email address. If you don't have their LinkedIn account link, any one way will surely work for you. The chance of getting the email address is 19%, but if you have their LinkedIn account link, then it will be easy for you to find their email address. So let's start the tutorial. For example, you want to find this person email address. His name is Paul Segri and he works at Genesis. So first you have to go to google.com and you have to search with his name and company name. So let's copy his name and his company name. His name, and then give a space and then paste his company name. He works at this company. Now Google will show you his LinkedIn account link. This is his LinkedIn account link. Okay, we found his LinkedIn account link, and now copy the LinkedIn account link and save it somewhere. I'm saving in my notepad. Now go to this website. This website name is rocketrich.co. Now copy the LinkedIn account link from here, and if you don't have Rocketrich account, then you can sign up with Gmail account. And now go to this, after login to your account, now go to this link. Now copy this LinkedIn account link and paste it here in this box, and click on start search and click on get contact. We found his email address. Now let's verify it. We'll use this website for verifying the email address. This email address is valid. Now using this way you can find almost anyone email address. I hope you understood how this works. But if the email address is invalid, it will show you invalid email address. I hope you understood how to do this. And if you are looking for someone who can find valid business email address for you, or if you are looking for lead generation expert, you can hire me. I am ensuring you that you will get 100% valid and active email address, and you will be satisfied with my service like other buyers. If you want to hire me, please contact me on these websites. You can contact me through these websites. If you think my video is helpful, please give me a like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. If you don't do this, you will not receive notification about future videos from my channel, so you must have to do this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.